Thinking about becoming an Uber Eats driver in Canada? Let's find out if it's a golden ticket or a greasy paper bag. First, download the Uber driver app and sign up. You'll need a valid driver's license, vehicle insurance, and vehicle registration. Uber will also conduct a background check, so make sure your record is clean. Understanding the market is key. Big cities generally mean more orders, but also more competition. Keep an eye out for surge pricing, indicated by red or orange zones on the app map, to maximize your earnings. Track your expenses religiously. Gas, vehicle maintenance, and even a portion of your phone bill are all deductible. Accurate record keeping is essential when filing taxes. Accept orders strategically, consider the distance, estimated time, and payout before accepting. Declining low-paying orders saves you time and gas. Don't be afraid to stack orders from multiple restaurants, but only if you can deliver them on time and keep the food hot. Excellent customer service can lead to better tips. Be polite, communicative, and ensure orders are delivered accurately. A friendly attitude goes a long way. So, is it worth it? It depends. Factor in your vehicle's fuel efficiency, the demand in your area, and your personal financial goals. The potential is there, but only if you're smart and strategic about how you drive. Good luck.